Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, dim lights and turn off screens to cut blue light exposure. Once done, lie down with a loose blanket and set the thermostat to 18-20 degrees C. Cooler helps sleep onset. Make sure to control posture on your back or side with knees slightly bent so muscles can relax. Then begin a 60-90 second breathing anchor. Inhale for 4, hold 1, exhale for 6. Repeat. This immediately shifts your nervous system toward rest and prepares you for deeper steps. You continue with precise actions. Maintain the 4-1-6 breathing pattern for about 3 minutes to reduce sympathetic drive. Once your breathing steadies, perform a progressive muscle relaxation. Tense a group for 5 to 7 seconds, then fully release. Work from toes to jaw. Make sure to keep breaths slow and soft between tensing sets. After muscles are loose, transition into a simple visualization. Imagine a steady, calming scene like a quiet lake. To occupy the mind and prevent wake, you finish with a gentle descent. Switch to soft counting on each exhale, 1 to 20, and let numbers fade into silence. Once done, relax attention. Let thoughts pass without chasing them. Make sure to resist checking the clock. If you remain awake after 20 minutes, get up and do a low-stimulation task for 10-15 minutes under dim light, then return. Troubleshooting tip: if anxiety spikes, repeat the 60-90 second breathing anchor and shorten counting to 5 to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.